Hello student, continuing our multi-impression triplet mold, we have drawn the nut limit boards with nut here, and we need to arrange these all are in entity 4. So first of all we have to draw here the register ring. Just click here and draw a circle by 50 mm of radius, then 60 mm of radius, then 70 mm of radius. This is our register ring, and one strip plate we have to draw here, runner stipple, that is called, and just draw a circle here of 270 85 mm of radius. Then no, it is not the right way. Just calculate the size of strip plate. And check the dimension here. With the help of a aligned dimension, it is 92. So we need 95. The circle should be 95. Delete the same, and then draw a circle here of 95 mm radius. Then draw here a circle for blocking the register ring at the quadrant of this circle. That is M8, so 4 mm of radius. Then offset it by 0.75 inside, and then draw a line from its quadrant to the center point and some perpendicular here, then trim it, and then erase the helping lines. It is needed, and then draw a circle here of diameter 13.5 and then offset this by 3 mm outside, and it should be erased. Now draw a line from its quadrant to quadrant vertical and quadrant to quadrant horizontal. Then erase the helping circle, and this line did not in use. Now match property for the center line. This one is the center line for this, and now match property for the dashed line. These two circles to be dashed, then array, select object, these three and one center line, then pick polar, select object with this center line, then center point, this should be the center line, CAN, enter, and then number of item 3. Okay, now the registering circle for the registering is now complete, and then match property for this circle, this should be of center line, imaginary circle this is, and then array this 4 plus kite pillar, array, select object, this 4, 2 plus 2, and these two center line may be selected with the selection set. This is also be selected, then press enter, center point, CAN, enter, this is the center point, the number of items should be 4, and then OK. The bold, limit bolts are set in their location, and guide pillar also be situated at their required center. Now we go to draw the elevation. First of all, we just use a cutting plane here, just like start from here to here, and then this should be this also be cut half sectioned, so draw a line here, then a line be drawn here to here, and then no, this line should be drawn here to here. This is not sitting in the right way because there is some marginal distance, it's too low, so this cannot be taken as in cutting plane, so we need something to do. What is the problem here? The problem we have to solve re-enter and modify it. Scale should be of 30. Then OK. Close to 1/6. The size is okay, but there is something which we need to solve and erase this line. The distance should be from here to here is of 3 mm, and we need 3 mm gap in between this 4. So we check here what is the distance between this and this. That is 6 mm, and there also be this is not in the range of so we need first the component we have to draw in elevation. So put some layers here, offset this line by 35 mm, offset 35 mm upward, then offset this plate by 45 mm upward, and then move it to create space. Then draw a line here and here, then CH enter, and it should be D enter and 1.5 enter, then draw then draw 2 lines more here, 1 and 2, and then CH enter and make chamfer. The line is omitted. Draw it again, CH enter, and then extend this line towards the clamping plate, then draw another line, offset or mirror these two on this, and then draw a line. This is wrong. Mirror on this line, then offset this line by 25 mm.